Welcome back friends, this is Raman Sharma here and we are watching Redux Firebase Simple Block series, and this is the part 14th of this series. And in this part we are going to see how we can edit the post here. So till here we have created this command system here. So our command system is completed, so we can hear command like this. This is nice command, and this is for the logged in user. If the user is not logged in, then the command will not show up. So we are getting this is a nice command. Now here we will see how we can edit the post here. So first of all we have to create the route for the post here. So first of all we there will be like posts, then post. After that this type of route will be there, post and then slash, and then there will be the post id and then slash, then edit. So this type of route we will create here, so that we will create under the dashboard only. So now without wasting any time, so let's get into it. And first of all let's create the route, and then let's create the interface for this and what type of things we have to edit in our this post here, and down and then we will set up the Redux, and after that we will apply the updation logic. So let's get into it. So now we are in our coding section here, and we will go to the source folder, and then here today we will work with this admin folder here, and then we will go with dashboard. So first of all, if you don't saw my previous 13 part first, then please watch previous 13 parts first and then please come to this video. All the links for all the parts is given in the video description, so you can get through the video description for the links there. And then here we have to go to the dashboard. And also if you like this video and if you like this series, then please share this series and please subscribe our channel. Please like this video if you like this, and this motivate me more to make you very good projects for you and very good videos for you. And then here in the dashboard we are under the index.js, and here we will add the route here. So because here we have to set the route under the dashboard only, so under the dash we will set the dashboard sub route, that will be the post id, and then add it here. So here let's set the route here. Path will be there, here will be the post, and then here will be our parameter, that is post id, and after that there is edit here because we want to edit this post. So that's why we have to do like this here. So now here I'm going to create one new folder, and that will be for the edit post here. And here I will create edit post.js file here, edit post.js file. So let's do it, RAFCE. This is a shortcut here, and from here first of all let's fetch the parameter here. So I'm going to fetch the post id from params, so I will use params here. So use params is a hook from the React router DOM here, from the React router DOM. So that thing I am doing here. So let's just print the post id for now. I'm printing the post id and save it. So I'm saving it here. Sorry for these notifications. Here I'm going to write edit post here. So see that edit post is successfully imported here. This one we are getting edit post. It is successfully imported from edit post folder, in the same folder edit post folder, and then edit post.js here. Then I will save it and save this too. And here just like this edit post is there, so here we don't have to check anything about this post ID here, because we have applied the validation here in the dashboard. Like whenever the user will refresh there, so it will redirect to the dashboard only. So for that we don't have to apply, we don't have to check if post exists or not. The user must have to go click on this edit post, then he or she will go to that route only. So now we have to go to this all post here, and in the all post, after that here we have to look for the edit post button. See that here we are getting the edit post button here. Here we need the post ID, so same this type of route we need. I am copy this and on click here, this post is there. Here will be the dashboard slash dashboard. First there will be the slash admin slash dashboard, and then there is the slash post, and after that there is a post ID, and then we have to write edit here. Just save this. So now click on edit post here. So see that we are redirected to the that route, and we are getting this ID as a param also. Now we have to add the interface here. So let's talk about that. What we have to add here. So what are the things that we have to change in the post whenever the user will edit here. So now let's move to the Redux DevTool extension, and here to the state under the post. Here we are having the one post. Now we will move to the post data. See that here what we are having the image, and then create date, then category, after that title and comments. So category can be the same, created date can be the same, and then image should be the same. So we don't want the user to update the image, just we want two things to update, that is description and our title here, and title. These two things only we want there. So here we will create interface for these two things only. So let's move to the code. Now this all post.js, we don't need this, so I'm removing this here. Only we have to work with the edit post here, as we are using the React Bootstrap here. So now we will create here. First of all we will find this post. So let's find this post first. This post we will find from the this one const. Here we will get the post here. So post and use selector. From the Redux we have to fetch the post, use selector, and this we will import from the React Redux. So import use selector from React Redux here, and then here we will fetch the data from the state. So state dot post. So these we want. So post here. Now we will fetch the current post. So current post constant current post, and that will be the post dot find. We are going to find with the help of post ID here. So here we will get the post as an argument in the function, and we have to write post dot post ID should be equals to our post ID here. So let's write here json.stringify current post. Save this and let's move there. So here we should get the data for the current post. So actually it should be, let me see, state.post. So actually it should be post here. So here I'm going to write state.post. Save this. Now we should not get the error. Let's go to the post here, and now let's go to the edit post, and here we are getting the post data. Just we have to fetch two things here, that is our description and title. So these things we have to fetch, and that we are going to do here. So I'm going to remove this. So here first of all let's create a container here. I'm going to create a container. So here it is container here, and we will fetch this container from import react bootstrap, and we will import the container, and then we need row here, and row will be also imported from the react bootstrap. Here row we want, then we want column, and after that we will see what we want. Here row is there, now we want column, and that will be md6, and here we need its class name to be mx auto, and margin top we want to 5 here. This column we have. Now we want the form here. So form, and form we will import from the react bootstrap only, and let's do that. And here we want form input, form dot control we want, form dot control type will be text here, type is equals to text, and placeholder will be title will be there, and its value. So as this will be the controlled here, so controlled form, actually I don't want it as a control form here, so it should be having the value, let it be a control form. So here I'm going to write use effect here, so use effect, and after that here I'm going to create one state here. So first that state will be for title, and here we are going to set the title here, and use state, it will be imported from the react only. By default it will be null, and same as description. Here D should be capital. Now in the use effect we will see if we are having the current post. So I'm going to copy this and paste it. So if we are having the current post, then only we want to change this. So we will set title as current post dot post data dot title, and same thing we want for the description here, and here will be the description. So now we are having the title as well as the description here. So here we will write the title, and on change we will just change the title here. So we are going to set the title, that will be e dot target dot value. So I'm going to copy and paste this, and same this we are going to do for the description. So description is there. So here I'm going to write the text area. So here will be the text area. So text area will be there, and placeholder we want like this. I'm going to cut this here, and here we want the class name. So the class name will be the class name will be let form control, and here will be the description, and we are going to set the description here. So this thing we have done. Now let's save this and let's see how it is looking. We are getting one error here, and that is just for the missing braces. Now we should refresh the page. We will refresh the page and move there again. Move to the post and then edit post, and see that here this type of thing we are getting here. So here I'm going to add the rows here. So rows, let it be 5 rows are enough, I think. 5, let it be 10. Yeah, 10 rows are good, and we have to add the margin also. So here I'm going to add class name, and margin top will be 5 and margin bottom will be 3. So here we are getting like this, and a verb we want one h1 tag, and its class name will be display3, and text center, margin top 4, and we want edit post, and then here will be the post ID here. So post ID is not there, it is post ID. Save this. So actually it is refreshing the page, so that's why we are getting this. So see that we are getting edit post and then post ID, and here we are getting the data for the post. Now let's see how we can add Redux for this. So first of all, let's add Redux for this, then we are going to do the update logic. So now let's move forward, and here first of all we will move to the Redux, and in the Redux we will move to the type. So we will set the post type here for the edit post. So I'm going to copy and paste this, and let's edit this as edit post here. Now save this, and let's move further to the reducers here, and here just we will do the updated post here, and here just we need one thing here we will applying the case here. So here case will be types dot add update post. So here it is index dot post types. Here added post will not be there, here will be update post. Save this, and here will be the update post here, and here first of all we will find the old post. So old post we will find, that is like previous post, and here we are going to find it from the state.post.find, and here we will get the post here, and then we will find post.post id should be equals to payload.post id, and here we will send post id also in the data object, that is our payload, and then we will actually if we have to update the things here, just we will match the we will update here, like we will update the previous post, because we will get the post data from our action creator also. So we have to create the action creator here, there. So there we will update the post, then here we will update the post in Redux, and the updated post will come from the action creator that we will define next here, so that it will so our post will be already updated. So here just we have to update the post in the Redux. So for that, just we will write previous post dot post data, or we don't have to write like this. Just we are going to write updated post here. So we are not going to find this, just we are going to map the post, and then if post and post id is same here, so if post id is same, then we will render our payload dot post updated post updated post, and if this post id will not match, then we will just return the post here, that post is returning from here only, and then just update the state. So dot state, then post will be updated post, and then return. Save this. So we are saving this, return, we are going to return the state here. Save this. Now let's move forward to the action creators here. So to the post action creators, so we have updated the post reducer. Now post action creator, so here we will create first of all action here. So const update post, so we have to update the post here, and then here will be the data that we will get, and then it will return as the object with types dot update comment update post, sorry, and then payload will be our data only. Now let's move forward here. So here we will find for the post here and do post, after that fetch post, and here we will write the update post here. So let's create export constant update post. So here it is also same, so we have to change this update post data like this, update post data. Then here just we need two things. First we need our post id, and then we need previous post. So just this thing we need, and here dispatch will be there, as we are using middleware, that is Redux Thunk. So dispatch will be there for us. Now here just we have to change the update the post here. So here we also want the data here for the post, and from the data we will extract two things here. So first thing, we will extract title, that is the updated title, and description, so that is the updated description. So this is from the data here. Then previous post we have. So now let's update the previous post. So previous post we are having, then previous post dot previous post dot post data. So previous post dot post data dot then title. So we have to change the title, so title will be equals to the title, and same for the description. Copy this, paste this, and paste this. Now here by default, first of all we will console log our previous post. So previous post means this previous post will be the updated post now. save this, and now let's do this. I'm going to copy this and let's move to the edit post here, and here let's define first of all dispatch. So const dispatch is equals to use dispatch. This is also imported from the React Redux, and now here we will move forward here. So now here we will define our logic, that is handle submit button. So handle submit, it will be having this e, so e dot prevent default here. So first of all we have to apply the validations. So let's apply the validations now, as we have set up the Redux here for the update post. Now we will apply the validations first. So let's apply the validations now. So the validations will be same like the add post here, and here I'm going to the add post. So here I'm going to copy the validations here, and so I'm going to copy this whole thing, copy this, and let's go to the edit post again, and here I'm going to paste this here, and here we have to remove this category. We don't have any image here, so I'm going to remove this also. Just we need these two things here, and we also have to import the toast here. So let's import that. So toast will be imported from the React Toastify. It is imported successfully here. Now here we will if these all validations are working well, now here what we will do, here we will create the data object, and that data object will contain the title and description. So this thing it will do. Now dispatch, so we are going to dispatch our Redux here. So we will use the action creator, and what is the action creator name that we have used, that is update post data. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So first of all let's import this. So this will be imported from the action creators, post action creators, and post data. Here it needs three things here. First is post ID, then previous post, and then data here. So here will be the post ID. So post ID we have, and then it needs the current post. I'm going to copy this. This is having the current post, and then it needs third thing. What is the third thing? Third thing is data. So data object that we have created, that we are going to pass here. Now this handle submit we also want here. So in the form we are going to write on submit this handle submit here. Now just save this, and we will move to our blog here, and let's wait for the changes. I'm going to refresh this. Now let's move to the post and edit the post here. So actually the one thing we haven't did here, so there we need also a button here. So we need also a button. So here I'm going to add the button here, and that will be the button from React Bootstrap, and its type will be the submit, and here we need the class name, and class name will be margin top to 4 here, and this we need as variant. We need variant to dark, and here just write update post here. Save this. Now we should get the update post button, and in the class name let's apply form control also. Save this. Now I'm going to inspect element this. Now click on console, and here I'm going to write test post 3. So here I remove this. Now whenever we click on update post, so it will give please fill in all fields. Here I'm going to write test here, click on update post. So title should be of at least 2 words here. So here title was test post 3 previously. I'm going to write test post 3 updated. Now click on update post. See that here we are getting the data here, and this is updated data that we are getting from the action creator. And here's, let's see the title. See that we are getting the title as test post 3 updated, and then description. So description, let me remove this this whole, and here I'm going to write updated here, update post, and see that we are getting the second object. And here the description, actually it is not fully visible, but it is updated also. Now let's move forward. So I'm going here, and here we don't need this any edit post anymore. And here this is our previous post. Here we are getting the previous post. So first of all, let's update our data here from the Firebase. So I'm going to add Firestore dot post Firestore dot collection, and collection will be of the post dot document. So we have the document ID, that is our post ID, and then we are going to update this. So we are updating this. For the updation, we have to add the title and then description. Just these things we have to update, and then if this is updated, it will return us nothing. Just we have the object here dot catch. If it is having any error, just we are going to console log the error here. And here if this is updated, then we are going to dispatch our action. And what action is that? That is update post. So update post is there. So first of all, it need the post ID. The object need the post ID, and the second thing what it need, that is, let's go to the post reducer, and second thing it need updated post. So updated post will be the previous post here. Now if this is successfully done, now let's, here we will apply the toast dot successfully updated the post here. Otherwise, if there is any error here, so here we are going to write toast.error, something went wrong. Save this. Now let's test this. So here I'm going to move to post, click on edit post. So here I have to refresh this. Let's go to the post, and here let's go to the edit post. So here I have to write updated. Now click on update post. So our post is successfully updated. Now when I will move to the post here, see that here we are also getting successfully updated. And when I am refreshing this, go to the post here, so here also we are getting successfully updated. So this means that we have done updating our post successfully here. Just only one thing pending, that is delete post. So we will do this also, delete post here, in the next video, and that is very easy for us. So this is very easy for us. Just we have to delete the first of all image, and after deleting the image we will delete the whole post. So that is just a 4 to 5 minute video, and then we will not do this homepage of the dashboard till now, but we will complete our first front panel first. Then after completing the front panel in 2 videos, then this will be a bonus video for all of you. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. For today this is enough. The video is little bit long. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.